Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Fry Pokemon back. Let's brag. Got some Obsidian Flames, the only pack my Walgreens had. So let's open it up and see what happens here. Oh, yeah. Let's see, this is Dragonite. That's crazy. Dragonite sleeve, Dragonite. Hey, maybe it's a. Look at that. Look at that. What is that? I didn't do that. I didn't do that. I didn't do that, did I? I don't think I did. That's just the factory stuff. But yeah, okay. Anyway, y'all seen it. Y'all seen it live. Let's get something good out of here. There's a code for somebody. There's a code for somebody. Can y'all see it? There's a code for somebody. Anyway, we do no pack. I don't do pack tricks anyway. What the hell? There's something back here, and it's goddamn. Look. Look at that. What the hell? Okay, I'll take that. I will probably sell that or trade that to some fool that wants some damaged card that says that's a Revavroom EX, but it's got some special stamps on it there where that's thunderous. Ain't nothing on that. Nothing on that one. Only look at this. This is crazy. Only on the special illustration, whatever. What is it? Or whatever, the alternate art special illustration Revavroom, which is cool. It's a cool card, but it's got this, so okay. That's crazy. All right, y'all. I'll see you later on the next one. Later.